The root. It is the underground non-green part which provides anchorage to the plant. Roots are of two types. 1. Taproot. 2. Fibrous root. In taproot, several lateral roots emerge out from the main root. In fibrous root, bunch of roots of similar sizes emerge from one place, forming no main root. Functions of root. Roots have several functions. One of the main functions is absorption of minerals and water from the soil. Let us learn it by conducting an experiment. 1. Take a test tube and add eosin solution, a pink dye, into it. 2. Insert a small plant with white-colored flowers and roots intact and plug the mouth of the tube. 3. Keep the tube fixed to a stand for a few hours and watch the color of the plant leaves and the flowers. You will find that the petals of the flower turn pink. Pink lines can also be seen in the cut section of the leaves, stem and roots. Thus, the water is absorbed by the roots and is transported upwards to the leaves.